In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change permissions on a laptop. This process is essential for managing your privacy and security while using your device. Let's dive into the steps to ensure your applications have the right access. First, you will need to open Settings on your laptop. To do this, locate the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. You can either click the Start button or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Once the menu opens, look for the gear icon, which represents Settings. Click on it, and the Settings window will appear. This is where you can customize numerous features on your device. Having access to settings is crucial because it gives you control over your laptop's functionality and security. From there, select Privacy and Security from the list of options. This section is dedicated to managing your permissions and ensuring your data stays secure. You will see a variety of permission categories available, such as camera, microphone, location, and file system. Each category allows you to control which applications can access specific features of your laptop. This step is important because it helps you limit access to sensitive information and protects your privacy. Next up, choose a permission that you want to adjust, like camera. Click on the camera option, and you will see a list of applications that can access your camera. This list will show you which apps have permission to use the camera and which ones do not. Reviewing this list is vital because it allows you to identify any apps that may not need access to your camera. By managing these permissions, you enhance your privacy and security while using your laptop. After selecting the permission, you can turn access on or off for the apps you want. For each application listed, there will be a toggle switch next to it. If the toggle is set to the on position, that app has permission to use the selected feature. If you want to deny access, simply click the toggle to switch it to off. This action ensures that only the applications you trust can access specific features. Remember, adjusting these settings gives you greater control over how your laptop operates and who can access your personal information. Note that you may need to restart an app after changing its permissions. This is essential for the changes to take effect. If you notice that an app still seems to have access, close it completely and reopen it. This will refresh the app's access settings. Taking this step is important because it ensures that your permissions are enforced immediately. You want to make sure your privacy settings are working correctly and that you are protected. By following these steps, you can easily manage permissions on your laptop. This process allows you to maintain control over your data and how applications interact with your device. Remember, regularly checking and adjusting permissions is a great practice to enhance your overall security. Thank you for following along, and I hope you feel more confident managing your laptop's permissions now.